Good afternoon, adventurers. So our travels have taken us now to the Grand Floridian Hotel and Spa. We were just at the Polynesian. If you missed that, I'll leave a link to it down in the description. But we're here to check out the merchandise, decorations, and the gingerbread houses. So coming off the monorail, here's some of the second story smaller trees that they have out for decoration. Very Victorian, with bird cages and velvet ribbons. Very, very nice. So we're about to go into Basin White to see what they have for holiday. This is a soap shop. They got some little holiday sugar scrubs. They are $19.99 each.
And I want one in my stocking.
And you want one in your stocking?
Yeah.
Let It Snow. They got some candy cane ones. Very nice. Here's a festive red and green Mickey soap. That's $5.99. Here's one with Mickey and trees. And along with the holiday soaps, they have all kinds of gift baskets, holiday gift sets, wrapped up in really nice ribbons. Sake soak. Bombshell. Interesting. I just asked, and these sets are $70. There's a body butter, a pink sugar, and another kind of scrub, I believe, or soap, I'm not really sure. Here's some more special holiday soaps. They got reindeers and Mickeys and candy canes, snowmen, joy to the world, and one shaped like a Christmas tree. All $5.99. And lastly, we found some special holiday body butters. There's a candy cane one and a Christmas cookie body butter. Ooh. And while we're here on the top floor, because the tree is so massive, from the bottom floor, I wouldn't be able to get it all in frame. So there's a look at the full thing. We'll get up closer to look at the decorations more in detail once we get down there. So we missed the event, but apparently they had a special signing event with the pastry chef, Christine Farmer, in the lobby. She is the one that apparently made the gingerbread house this year, and they were giving away or selling, I'm not really sure, limited edition trading pins. And that was select Saturdays from 1 to 2. That was the 16th, 23rd, and 30th. Sorry, we missed it. Womp womp. Here at the M Mouse Mercantile, they got the windows all decorated up for Christmas with red and white Christmas balls and a mini decoration. Nice stuff in there. We're gonna head on in and see what they have for Christmas merchandise. Some Christmas pajama pants, kids pajama pants, $19.99 for that. There's some more of those change purses that we've seen, $19.99 for those. And some of the spirit jerseys. There's another little girl's dress. It's very nice.
I like this one.
Oh, there's a big pajama shirt. I like that pajama shirt. That's nice. $34.99 for that. They got the Minnie and Mickey nutcrackers in here. Then they have some ornaments, tree ornaments. I love this one. That's really nice. That's $24.99. Oh, that's nice. They have a little Santa Stitch book, Holiday Mischief with Stitch, posable Naughty or Nice Stitch plush, and storybook. A new family holiday tradition. Let me read the back here, see what this says. Alright, so I guess you share with Stitch, teach him all he needs to know, start by sharing what everyone has, their own unique holiday traditions. So Stitch gets to join your holiday family traditions. That's cute. That's $34.99 for that. There's a nice holiday apron for the cooks. Will work for milk and cookies. And that is $29.99 for that. Oh, some holiday dish towels. $21.99 for that. It's got two of them. Mickey Main Street Tree Farm and You'll Love This Holiday. Cute. Here's a nice holiday reversible table runner. That's $59.99. That's nice. 72 by 18 inches. Here's some more of those Christmas baby plushes of Mickey and Minnie. These are $29.99.
I want the Marie baby plush.
You want the Marie baby plush? That's cute. There's the mini. They also have Thumper and Bambi and Simba. Oh, here's Flower. I guess they really like Bambi here. Over here in the Floridian, we got the holiday pins for Star Wars. There's the Stormtrooper BB-8. Little holiday porg. He's cute.
Show that to Bud. Look at
Those
this.
are our silver. Silver is $9.99. There's a nice light up decorative China Christmas tree. That's $49.99. Here are the new Frozen 2 dolls available. Elsa, Anna, and Kristoff.
Can I fetch the question?
Oh, a Frozen Holiday Wish Castle playset. And some Christmas decorations. There's Elsa, that's $24.99, and Olaf in a little glass ball, also $24.99. Here's a close-up of one of the giant holiday wreaths here at the Grand Floridian. Very traditionally decorated with poinsettias and red and green Christmas balls. We're gonna walk down the stairs here to show you all of the garland they have hanging up off the banisters. Very pretty. So far, I gotta say the Floridian is far more decorated for Christmas than the Polynesian was. So here's the Grand Floridian tree up close and personal. Now that we're here, I see swans in the tree. Very doily decorated looking, some bird cages, gold, blues, and pinks. Very nice. So here it is. The big centerpiece every year is the giant gingerbread house. That is a scary looking Santa Claus right there. My goodness. And here's a list of all the ingredients that go into making this house. 800 pounds of flour. That is a lot of flour. Then they show you some pictures here of how they construct and decorate the house using cranes to get everything in there. My goodness.
Daddy, is this all made out of real candy?
It is, yes, it's made out of real gingerbread. The house is real gingerbread. All the shingles and chimney and everything is all real gingerbread. And here's a look at the front of the house, decorated with lights. I see a little Christmas tree up there at the top. That's very cute. Standing in line here at the gingerbread house, I just want to get a quick look around. The Grand Floridian is so intricately decorated. It is amazing. So on the windows over top, they have princesses with their prince. There's Cinderella and Prince Charming, and Tatiana and Prince Naveen. And if you look through the tree there, I see a hidden Mickey, a little blue one, right next to the window. And there's a white one on the shingle. So here's a look at the menu at the gingerbread house. That white chocolate covered gingerbread sandwich pops, gingerbread men lollipops. Signature items are some snowmen donuts, ginger snap cookies. Here's what we're gonna get. We're gonna get gingerbread shingle with chocolate. That's $9.50. They even sell whole gingerbread houses for $60. Grandstand gift box for $50. And some no sugar added cookies.
Ginger house.
No gluten added cookies also are available. That's interesting.
I want to.
Here's a little video. It says, what happens after Christmas? All the gingerbread is removed. Watch the upcoming video, see how bees play an important role. The house goes to the Disney tree farm where the honeybees eat the honey off of the house. Oh, cool. The chimney is smoking right now. That's awesome. Alright, so it said there were 21 hidden Mickeys. There's one. There's another one. So far I've seen 6 of them. See if you can find them all. Here is a look at the gingerbread shingle. It is literally one of the shingles, not directly off the house, but made for sale using the same template. And there's chocolate on the back. Oh, there's dark chocolate on the back. Mmm, yummy. What do you think, bud? Is that good?
Good.
Yeah, yummy. You like it?
It's really good.
Yeah. How is it?
Good.
Good? You like it?
Yeah.
All right, my turn.
Not that good. Chocolate doesn't taste like
It's
chocolate.
good. No, I like it. The dark chocolate's nice. The gingerbread's quite spicy though. It's got a lot of real ginger spice to it.
Yeah, it does have
It's good. So after our little gingerbread snack, we're gonna go in and see if we can find some more merchandise. Let's see what's in Sandy Cove Gifts and Sundries. Here's some Christmas tree, Rice Krispies treats. Here's some Christmas tree ornaments in the shape of mints with princesses on them, and they got the GF insignia on the back, and those are $14.99. Then you have the gingerbread holiday ears, $29.99.
I want this.
Oh yeah, nice. Some Grand Floridian holiday coffee mugs or cocoa mugs, depending on your taste. With the princess, with Princess Aurora. Those are $24.99. Very nice. Here's a holiday pin of Mickey and Minnie with candy canes. Looks like Minnie is beating Mickey over the head with his candy cane. Holiday beachy presents. All right, that will be all for us today from the Grand Floridian here in Walt Disney World, Florida. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Come on down, join the adventure, and I'll see you next time.